So, all right, let me take another opinion or comment from TikTok. Um, let me see here. Going through all my TikTok stuff here. Somebody says is working for the GCIH. I don't know if I love IR. Incident response. Your thoughts? GCIH is fire, man. GC, any kind of SAN cert, excuse me, all the SAN certs are fire, right? And I'm speaking on from my own personal experience. All the people that I've worked with who had a SAN cert, when I was working with the Army as a contractor, doing SOC analyst work, and working with the network analyst guys and the incident response guys and the forensics guys, data forensics guys that all had GC certifications, GCIA and GC, a couple of other GCIH as well. I think it's fire. Like, it really depends on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to do analysts, cybersecurity analysts, or I could tell you those are great certifications, right? We lived and breathed by those certifications when I was doing cybersecurity analyst work for as a contractor for the Army. And those guys, that whole program is awesome, I think. So if that's your route you're trying to do, then I think that's great. And there's definitely a lot of work for that. And you said, I love incident response. Your thoughts? Yeah, I think it's a great career path. And there's so many directions you can go from incident response, right? From incident response, you can go into full blown data forensics. There's a piece there. There's the SOC analyst road you can go. You can go super technical, or you can kind of go in between, like with incident response. You can go into the governance, risk, and compliance piece. Like, there's a lot of different directions you can go with that one. So I think it's awesome. I think that's positive. Keep doing what you're doing. Get experience. That's the biggest thing. Don't just do the certification. Let me see here. Systems need securing forever and ever. Yeah, I agree with that. There's never going to be a time when we don't need a secure system. There's always going to be a need for a secure system. Even if you get some kind of extremely powerful AI, AGI, the AGI itself will have to have security features on it. That was the whole thing behind Skynet in Terminator. Like, it could do whatever it wanted, and it did. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that movie, but go watch it. Larry said, during Trump's last administration, I believe I saw more emphasis on certs and experience and much less given to education and degrees for the job seeker. And the thing is, I don't recall that happening, but I think we're already going in that direction. And actually, that's a great direction. If that's the case, I want to go more in that direction, because a degree takes you, I don't know, 4 years, right? 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, whatever, right? It takes years to get it. Whereas a certification, having on the job training, is more effective, it's faster, and it's cheaper. I don't know why we don't go that direction. I think that we should be better about getting people in, especially younger Generation Z people, Gen Alpha, whatever. Well, not Gen Alpha, they're too young. Gen Z people, whoever, young people, bring them in, train them, and then say, hey, get this certification. Hey, go to school. While you're working here, go to school, get your degree now, like while you're working on the job. Like, that would be a better way to go. And I think that if that's the case, if that's the direction we go, I think that's great. We're already going in that direction. As a matter of fact, that's one of the things that that they're saying on that White House, what is it called? Serving America. I keep forgetting the name of this push that they're doing. Service for America. Yeah, that Service for America push here. Let me show you on my screen here. I'm on the whitehouse.gov page right now. This is being pushed by the current administration, the Biden and Kamala Harris administration, to bring more people in, regardless of what your certifications or degree is. Right now, this huge push because we have a gigantic need to get more people in U.S. Government jobs. So yeah, it's already happening. And if they keep that, even if they rename it and say it's the Trump, whatever, like just do it, right? Just you could take credit for it and then just move as long as it moves forward. That's what matters the most to me personally. Okay, let me see. And that's what a lot of presidents do, by the way. The administration will come in, they'll revoke the current uh, executive order, and then they'll rename it. It'll be the same thing, but they'll rename it and say, "Oh, see what I did? They were going to do this, but I did it," so they can take credit for it. It's crazy. And it's not just Trump that does that. It's all administrations do shit like that.